Besides, I want to invite all of you to my birthday party we celebrate. It will be at my house at 7 p.m. On have to come, okay?
Wow, really? I will definitely come. It's been a long time since we hang out together.
Come me. I know you will be the podcast. I miss you like this.
I will come, but I may be a little late because I have a course first. But don't worry, I'll be there.
If nothing comes up, I will come too. I'm still waiting for my work schedule.
Unlike if you don't have other plans, there are usually commuting for me.
I'll come if I'm not feeling too lazy. But it sounds fun, so maybe I will.
I'm really happy you all want to come, but please don't escape me. Ramli and Farel. I really want you to be there.
Yeah. Why are you still making condition? This is a real invitation, so the answer is so clear.
Exactly. The invitation already has given details, time, place, and money.
Right, that's what makes it a proper invitation.
Yes, the registration should be clear. And Nello has already done that.
Alright, I'll try my best to come.
Okay, I'll come if everything goes well.
Okay, then I'll be waiting for all of you. Don't let me down.
Don't worry, I will definitely come.
Me too. I'll be there for sure.
I definitely come even I if I'm a little.
Alright, I'll really try my best to come.
Alright, I'll make sure I come.
Okay, I'll come. Hopefully.
Alright, I hope you're hopefully turns into the coming.
Hi guys, maybe we should hang out sometimes. We fell to the sea. It's been a while since we all spent time together.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. We should do that soon. It would be fun to catch up. True. It's been a while since we last met. I kind of miss those moments when we just talk and go together.
Maybe we can grab some food or something. Someday. I don't really mind where, as long as it's chill. Yeah, just let me know, man. I see. I'm free. My schedule has been a bit unpredictable lately.
Same here. I might be busy, but we'll see. Weekends are usually for family, but I'll try.
We could also watch a movie together or not, depending on everyone. I'm okay with anything actually.
Yeah, no pressure. We just thought it might be nice to wake up and spend some time together again.
Sure, just take me or something when you guys decide. I try to adjust my schedule too. Yeah. We'll figure it out later. No need to rush. We can set it properly when everyone is ready.
Maybe this weekend or next week. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll see what works best. Yeah, nothing is yet. Just a plan. We can visit the details later when everyone is available.
Don't make it too formal though. Just something casual. I prefer something simple and relaxed.
Actually, we'll go with the flow. The important thing is